Good day, community. Our character trait for today is willingness. What does it mean to be willing? Being willing is that I do the thing that must be done when I am asked. I might not understand why, but I will still do the task. Where can you find this character trait? The character trait is found in Isaiah chapter 1, verse 19. If you are willing and obedient, you will be blessed. This character trait is shown in the story about a noisy battle. Now let me tell you the story. There is a city named Jericho in the land that God promised the Israelites, but it was filled with people who did not please God. I have a plan for you in Jericho, God told Joshua, who was now the new leader. March around the city walls for 7 days without repeat, God instructed. On the seventh day, march around it 7 times and make all the noise you possibly can. That sounded like a crazy way to fight the battle, but Joshua was willing to do things God's way. God's plans were not about fighting. It's about what He wants, Joshua told the people. Bang, bang, toot, and shout. The walls stumbled about. Now the Israelites could walk into Jericho with all their might. We've learned from this story that God's ways is always right. That's the end of our story. Can kids like us be willing? Of course we can. We can do it in our daily activities. First, we should be happy and enthusiastic about a group project. Second, we should be willing to cancel events like sleepovers for an emergency. Lastly, we should be willing to make new friends. Again, the character trait for today is willingness. And also a reminder, do your chores like washing the dishes happily. Just remember, you're not only doing it for your parents, but also for God. Have a wonderful day. Shalom.